Yeah, so basically we just chop up some onions, you know what I mean, getting ready for this. The domestic chef, everything down there, you don't know. Look, these are almost ready to go. You know what I mean? They're nice and brown and all that. This is ready to go. We got the saltfish on there, so I'm gonna introduce you to the saltfish dish. I'm gonna introduce you to the saltfish fish, motherfucker. The pot is cooking, the fish is sizzling, that is all over. Back to domestic chef. Basically what I'm gonna do, mise en place. I don't even know about French, so I ain't even gonna do it. God damn. But yeah, this is what I do. So I prepare the onions, obviously these are, you know, peppers. We got the peppers, we got the hot peppers there. I don't want to touch it with my hand, that's why I'm using the other peppers to touch that shit, god damn it. Then we're going to put it in there and we're going to fry it. When we're going to fry it, in there. And obviously, you're going to put these in. Ackee the saltfish. So guys, don't try this at home. Actually, try it at home. But, yeah, try it at home without the peppers. The hot peppers can burn your motherfucker up. So now, obviously, we're just cooking that one, mate. It's just all of that in one. We're just bubbling it up, you know what I mean? Sizzling it up. You know what I mean? I need to pick that down, you know what I mean, mate? You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? Get us started, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's gonna look, it's gonna look wonderful when I'm finished with it, you get me, mate? I'm telling you. Camera's kind of moving dodgy, bro. Why are you moving dodgy, camera, bro? Huh? You don't like me? Cameraman, come on, man, what's going on? What is going on? Yeah, guys. Now, let's look into the adventure. Obviously, this is going on right now, you know what I mean? That's sizzling and bubbling up right nice and good. So while that's bubbling nice and good, guess what? Obviously, you take off the lid of this and you put this one in first. The reason why I say you put this one in first because it's got the juice, and that is the juice. You just put that in, and that's the spinach juice. Spinach, bro. You need that. Iron. Mount Lion iron, you know what I mean? Then, just, where's my spoon? Where's my spoon? I put it in there. Alright, then we just mix that around and just get it all up in there, you know what I mean? Yo, hold on, chef. Chef domestic. What did you do? I forgot to put this in. God damn it, man. Obviously, put the fish in first so the fish can fry up with the other vegetables, but I forgot because I'm domestic. So we're going to put that in right now. I forgot about the fish, man. The fish. But that's good. It's with that, you know what I'm saying? Empty the pot. Scrape it out if you want, you know what I mean? And then obviously put the fish in before. So the fish could, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Just cook with the onions. And onions will bring out the taste and stuff. But it doesn't matter. Everything's going to be blending together. You heard me? So we just put in what did we do? What did we do? This is what we did. Onions, peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, and mixed with spinach, and this is, we call it callaloo. In Jamaica, spinach, we call it callaloo, you know, callaloo. But yeah, we mix up, put the fish in there first, you know what I'm saying, so the fish could just, you know what I mean, absorb all that onions and stuff, but it doesn't matter anyway. Either way, and then after that, then we introduce you to the Ackee. Okay, the reason why you put the Ackee in last, because Ackee is very soft. So it's cooked already, you know what I mean? There's one thing in particular about Ackee. If you take the Ackee tree, if you go to an Ackee tree, I know that flat bang. If you go to the Ackee tree, yeah, and you go pick fresh, right, apples, Ackee, and basically There's one thing about the ackee. There's poison. There's a red thing in the middle of the ackee, and you can't force the ackee to open. So you're going to definitely wait for the ackee to open and reap. You get me? And then you could, you know what I mean, benefits the fruit side of the ackee. But you have to take out this red thing in between. You know what I mean? It's like a gut. You know what I mean? You can't eat fish. I know, man. People eat fish raw with the guts. Ugh. But what I'm trying to say, take out that red thing out of the ackee, because you would die. It's poison. Yeah, that's one of my things I'm telling you. You heard me? So let's look at this. Look, it's nice. I'm gonna prepare it now, guys.
Girl, bitch, you feel like you a slime in your head. What Prego said you could be from North Side. What 2 Chainz say you good, but he lied. You run to Atlanta when you need a few dollars. No, you're not a colleague, you a fucking colonizer. The family matter and the truth for the matter. It was God's plan to show y'all the liar.
My nigga Kendrick! Come on! Kill that little fucking serpent. Yo, anyway, go back to the shit. Yeah, there we go now. So it's bubbling up now. When it's that bubbling there, we go to the ackee, bruh. You hear me? Obviously, I drain all the water from here, salt water. Drain it out, and then you put it in there, mate. There we go. In and butt. Bam. Bam. O-V-ho.
Step that way, then step this way, step that way.
O-V-ho, niggas. We're cooking you up, man. We're gonna eat you today. Pause. Smoke you, eat you, whatever, nigga. We're carnivores. Nigga, anyway. So basically, what I did is just took the ackee and put it in there, and obviously it's gonna boil up, bubble up, sizzle up, and just watch, stimulate me. Knowing that's my creation. And this is the creation of ackee and saltfish with boiled dumplings. Any more tips? Harder at GfreeD. So we got everything ready. Obviously, I'm gonna show you how I platter this thing and put it on a plate. Look at this. This is boiling up. Let me mix it up a bit so make you know, like, you know what I'm saying? It's not just sitting there. You just do it gently, guys. Do it gently. You don't want the ackee to keep on breaking up. Just gently, bro. Gentle, gentle, sweet food. There you go. You know what I mean? I'm gonna give you the aftermath of this. You know what I'm saying? And present on a platter plate. And you're gonna see me eat some great food, nigga! Here we go, guys. This is the nice, luxurious ackee saltfish. You know what I mean? Callaloo, what they call spinach in Jamaica. This is the Jamaican dish. Peppers, hot peppers. You know what I mean? And saltfish. And this is how we're presenting it right now. You know what I'm saying? That's how we're doing it right now. You know what I'm saying? That's how I'm gonna eat my little meal. You know, there's not that much on there. I might get that. No, I'm gonna take my time, but that is the one. So now you know how to cook callaloo, what we call spinach in Jamaica, saltfish, and ackee. So ackee and saltfish and callaloo with boiled dumplings and fried dumplings. Guys, I'm gonna enjoy this one, goddamn.